You have locked your WhatsApp chat, so you can only see it when you unlock. What if you do not even want people to see it at all? I mean, not that people can see unless they open up your phone, but you want to hide them totally from your chat, so you won't be able to see it. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can hide your locked chat. I'm going to show you how you can turn it on, where you can find it, and how you can turn it off as well. If you're new to this channel, do subscribe to this channel right now so that you can get more social media tips like this. Without further ado, let's go to my phone and let me show you how you can hide your locked text on WhatsApp. Let's go. Alright, so how do you hide your locked chats? You see there's extra layer of protection for privacy so that even your locked chat can be hidden. Okay, now for now, when you open up your WhatsApp app, you can't see the locked chat. So how do you check it? Basically, you scroll down and then you can see a locked chat, right? But what if you want to hide it so that people cannot see? So first of all, you go into the locked chat, and as you can see, you actually need verification, whether it's using your fingerprint. For my case, I'm using Face ID. Click on settings at the locked chat, and then you can see option here, hide locked chat. So locked chat won't appear or show on your chat list. To see them, I have to enter the secret code into the search bar in my chat tab. So all I have to do is just click on it and then hide your chat with a secret code for more privacy. Basically, yeah, it's very hard to find, alright? So basically, to check, all you need to do is just type in the passcode. Let's use my secret code. The secret code I'm going to put in is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's the one that I created earlier on, but you can create it as it is. Okay, let's just create from scratch again. Change secret code. Let's put it same thing, 1, 1, 1, 1. Just put 4 ones to be easier. Next, then confirm again, 1, 1, 1, 1. Done. And now the locked chat are hidden and your secret code is set. So now when you go back to your WhatsApp app, you scroll down, you can't find the locked chat. How can you find it? The only way you can find it is just go to your search bar, type in, for example, the code 1111. So you need to remember the code, and there you can see a lock chat right on top. Click on it, and there you can see it. Okay, that is if you need extra privacy. To unhide the lock chat, same thing, just go to settings, just untick this, and then your lock chat will show on your chat list. Click continue, and there it is now on the chat list. And of course, to access it, you have to scroll down, and then you can see lock chat here. Alright, so that's how you can hide, find, and unhide your locked chat.